How to make QR code for Wi-Fi password on iPhone. So first of all, let's go ahead and open up the Safari browser. Over here, search for Wi-Fi QR code. From the results, tap on the first link as shown. Once you're here on the website, you'll see an interface like this. You need to fill in the network name and password of your Wi-Fi here. To find that out, minimize the browser and open the Settings app. Tap on the Wi-Fi option as shown. Then, on your connected network, tap on the eye icon. On the top here, you'll see your network name. Now, tap on the password and it will become visible. Go back and open up the browser once again. Fill in the network name with the Wi-Fi name you just checked. After that, type in the password as well. Once done, tap on Generate QR code. You'll get your generated code right here. Scroll down and tap on Download to save the QR code JPG to your device. Following these steps, you can easily make QR code for Wi-Fi password on iPhone.